Hi everyone, it's Roslyn Hill again. We're going to make another bracelet this time. Quite a simple bracelet, I'm sure it's fun to do. You need to start off with a chain, just like this, long enough to go around your wrist. Okay, and then we're going to add another colour, so I'm going to show you how to do that first. Now at the end of your bracelet there should be a little loop here. You can use your hook quite easily to hook in to that end there to pick up that stitch right on the end, or it could be your slip knot that you're actually hooking into there. And then we're going to pull through another colour. So just hook the other colour around your hook like that and pull it through. Okay, and you can pull that through that end and make it the same length as the one that you've already got there. Okay, so you've got two ends there now, and then we're going to start to chain. Okay, put your hook in the next hole, the next chain there, and then close the latch and pull it through for your first chain. And then we're going to make a short chain length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's joined, okay, at the beginning there. And we're going to hook in about 5 along here. Don't have to count them if you don't want to. Much easier if you just hook in and make a slip stitch there, and then count another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, going to hook in along your chain here for another slip stitch there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to your original chain, the white one, hook in and make a slip stitch and work away 5 more and back to your white chain again. So you've got 2 colours on this chain, on this bracelet. It's quite fun to do. Have a look and see how we're doing so far. There we go. Doesn't have to be even, but it can be. And you're coming back to your white chain at the bottom, the original chain at the bottom, and slipping it on with it, attaching it on with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get 3 more on there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Slip stitch there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish off, and hook it into the last stitch there, to the end of your bracelet. There. Then we've got your 2 colour chain bracelet. Okay, you could count more than 5 if you want to make the loops bigger, but you don't want it to be too much more than 5, because we want them to be joined together, don't we? So to finish off then, you need to cut the end the same length as your tie for the bracelet there, and finish off by putting both the colours around the end and pulling them through. There, and that's your 2-colour bracelet. Have a go at that, see how you get on. Before we go, I'm going to show you this book here. This is my book, Roslyn Hill, Latch Hook Crochet for Beginners. There, some children on the front working with their latch hooks, and this is showing you where it's going a bit. There's some flowers here that we'll be making, and it's Crochet the Easy Way, book 1. Okay, you can buy that on Amazon if you want to learn some more about how to do latch hooking and have your own copy there. Okay, bye for now. Don't forget to press subscribe and tell your friends about it, so they may like to have another go themselves at making latch hook bracelets with a latch hook. Bye for now.